Hello everybody, you're on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and in this video I will tell you why you need to use a proxy for advertising on TikTok and why you need to set up a proxy in the Ads TikTok application. As you know, TikTok is one of the most popular social networks in the world, allowing you to watch and post content and earn decent money for it. To make money on TikTok or attract new customers, you need to constantly post new content and stay active. But even this may not be enough to become famous and reach a subscriber base. Special services and programs are required to automate promotion. TikTok proxies are used in order not to get caught by the anti-fraud system. TikTok is similar to Facebook in terms of blocks. It bans everything, especially when it comes to multi-accounting, and it doesn't matter if you're mass following or just farming accounts. If there are several profiles, the social network bans them all. This is because it suspects profiles with the same IP and the grid of accounts. And the average user obviously doesn't need a grid of accounts. Therefore, it is recommended to use a proxy to work with TikTok ads. With the help of proxy, you can register new accounts and continue mass activities without fear of being blocked. To do this, you just need to add a proxy in the program or service that you use for promotion. But you must remember that by working with free proxies, you endanger yourself, as they will be easily banned and do not guarantee security. It is recommended to purchase an individual proxy, with which the work will be guaranteed to be anonymous and safe. There is an excellent resource for this, Proxy-Seller.com. In addition to reliable proxies, you also get around-the-clock customer support. With such proxies, you can create an unlimited number of TikTok accounts and work safely without experiencing blocks. That's all for now. Have a productive work. See you soon.